So we have a ball of mass 400 gram is moving horizontally to the right with a speed of 13 meter per second. It hit the wall and rebound at a speed of 18 meter per second within 0.1 second. We want to calculate the impulse and the magnitude of the force by the wall act to the ball. So if we refer to the questions, 13 meter per second is considered as the initial velocity of the ball before it hit the wall. So I denote this as U. And 18 meter per second is the final velocity V, whereby the ball will rebound after hitting the wall. Why it have a negative sign? Because now after rebound, the ball is pointing leftward. Okay, so this whole process happened at a very short time interval of 0.1 second. So I want to find for the impulse. So according to the impulse momentum theorem, impulse is the change of momentum, whereby change of momentum is the final momentum mv minus initial momentum mu. So in order to find for the impulse, I can substitute the mass of the ball. So we will change the 400 gram to kg, whereby kg is the SI unit for mass, so it will be 0.4 kg. So 0.4 kg multiplied the final velocity is 18 meter per second, but then remember to include the direction of the velocity. The negative sign indicates that after rebound, the ball is moving leftwards, okay? Minus the initial momentum will be mass 0.4 multiplied the initial velocity is 13. So you may pause the video to do the calculations. So you will get the impulse will be negative 12.4 Newton second. Okay, now we move on to the second question. We want to determine the magnitude of the force by the wall that act on the ball. So we can relate the impulse we obtain with the force and also the time interval whereby the force act on the ball. So we have impulse is force multiplied delta t. So the impulse is negative 12.4. The time interval for the force to act is only 0.1 second. So the force will be impulse divided by the time taken. So I'll get the force is negative 124 Newton. So since the question asks for the magnitude of the force, so the magnitude of the force will be 124 Newton. The negative here indicates the directions. These show the direction of the force. So the direction of the force that will act on the ball is negative. So that's why the ball will be rebound and moving leftward after hitting the wall.